Hi, we're going to talk about some simple ways to get sound effects for your movies, rather than downloading them. Very, very easy to make. All you need is a microphone and whatever's lying around the house. So what sort of things can you do? Well, get some cheap oranges. Now, you can do all sorts of things with these. First of all, you can drop them. Which you probably want to do on a different table to the one your camera's based on. You can bite into them. You can stab them with a chopstick or a pen. If you've got them peeled, then either rip them apart or put them in your mouth, or splat them. Get the pulp, drop it onto something. Plenty of things you can do with those. All sorts of useful effects. Okay, glass and a couple of spoons. So what you can have is a Swordfight. Or, let's say we're in a submarine. Speed it up, maybe? Window cracking? Aerosol. A little bit of plastic packaging. Let's try this. So, Captain, we're approaching crush depth. Got spoon. I'm going to use the metal rail of the table because it's a bit longer than the other spoon. And clapperboard. Guillotine, maybe? Ooh, nothing with pressure. So you've got a sci-fi, opening an airlock. So another classic effect. I believe this was actually used for Star Wars. So you take an envelope with a piece of paper in. So my GLPT stuff getting fact. And sound of a door. Things like wine gums, wiggly worms, jelly bunnies. These are actually vegetarian. Put these in your mouth, cup your hands around the microphone, and just chew them into. Make sort of growling noise and slap at the same time. Then that will sound like it's like an animal eating, for example. Absolutely disgusting. Why would that be useful? Let's say you're attacked by a rabid fox-squirrel. No, not you, kid. No. What?